Hey guys, Nicole Vincent here. I was not planning on doing this video today, but it needs to get done. So let's talk about content protection. If you are a creator, if you are an Amazon influencer, if you are producing content, images, videos, reels, whatever, you need content protection. And that's honestly one of the most frustrating things. And it feels very violating when somebody has stolen your content. You find it on other pages or whatever. There are times where you sell your rights to a video or to content, and that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about brands or individuals taking your content without your permission. So there we go. So if you're new here, my name is Nicole Vincent. I am an Amazon influencer, a content creator, and I would love for you to join me on this journey. I'm sharing here about Facebook monetization and things, but this actually, I think, applies to all the things I like to talk about on this channel. So please subscribe, like, and let's get this show on the road. I'm going to show you what I've been seeing as I've signed up for the content protection feature through Facebook. So let's check it out. This is something that I turned on just in the past day or two, and it's been going a little crazy. I'm honestly slightly overwhelmed on how well this tool has done. So first off, you need to be on Facebook. You need to be in professional mode. So if you don't know how to do that, I think I have a video on that, or just Google it. How do I turn on professional mode for Facebook? And this is on my personal profile that this is set up. So once you're in professional mode, you're going to want to go to your content tab, and you can do this on your desktop or you can do it on your phone as well. Go to content protection. And if you haven't signed up for this and or opted into this, then it will have you like, hey, you need to opt into this. Opt into it, people. Oh my gosh. So my notifications from Facebook have been going crazy all morning. I literally turned this on like less than 24 hours ago, and I've already gotten over 50 hits. And guess what? They are they're all from the same video that a brand has stolen and uploaded on different pages. And so it's crazy. Look at this. All this stuff. Are you kidding me? Look at all this. Belly flush. So this is content that I produced. This was a brand collaboration. It was actually a paid collaboration where our agreement for the deal was to do a shoppable video for Amazon for their product and social media posting. There were no rights given, nothing of that sort. They've literally taken my video and reposted it, and they've also used images. So right here, there's an image from my video that they'll use as thumbnails on top of other people's videos. And it's like, it keeps dinging. I keep getting notifications. And so that, like, this is a thumbnail from something. This is not, it's a different thumbnail, but it's got my video behind it. And so it's like, seriously, it's insane. This is just, Facebook is finding all of these. These are posted on Facebook. I do want to show you something. So we're going to scroll for a second and find it. Right here, see this one, Taylor Swift's, whatever. This is an Instagram post, and the uploader's name is Nicole Vincent. So we're going to click on this. And this is a reel that I posted, but I cross-posted it on Facebook and Instagram. And so those will come up. And so you will need to just say, I'll say, okay, that's fine. So we're going to just release this match because I'm not worried about it because it's my posting. Now, it could be somebody that is mimicking you on social media. So you definitely want to be aware of that. And you can also click on the see post and it will pop up where the post is. So another thing that will come up will be post, if you cross post to Threads as well. So any Meta platform, they are actually scanning. So this is a video that I did that is posted on Threads. I cross posted it to Instagram, Threads, and Facebook. And so it's coming up. And so that's me. I know that's me. So we're going to release that match. So that way it's gone. But we've got all of these belly flush, which is hilarious that it's this supplement. But what you can do is you're going to say, okay, this is the post. You're going to click on the see post. And then we've got me talking about this supplement. We're going to click on this one to open the actual page. And here you can see, if you go to Reels, and you might need to refresh it. Still look. Oh, look, there's my cute face. Oh, look, there's my cute face. Oh, there's my cute face again. And so there I am again. there I am again. There's my fingers. They've reused my video like ad nauseum. And so what you're going to do when you find this is you go to these three dots and find support or report video. Now it's going to say, why are you reporting this video? So we're going to say it's intellectual property. And then it's going to give you a code. And so we're going to copy this code. And I've been making just a document with notes of what page I'm reporting with what code. So you kind of have to like go back and forth and stuff. Like, I'm going to just copy this page, their URL, so I know that I've done this page, because they're using very similar names that it's easy to get confused on what have I done, what have I not done. So create a document, email yourself whatever with whatever links. Hopefully this does not happen to you, but I think this is an extreme case, so it's a good example. So once we've got that, we're going to go back to the posting page, and this is a copyright infringement. We're going to continue with our copyright report. I am the rights owner, and then you're going to fill out your information, okay? So you're going to need to provide a link to the copyrighted work. So I've been using my YouTube link, but you can also, I also posted this, actually the original video is posted on my business page. It was never posted under my personal profile. And so they're pulling that as well. So I'm going to put the URL here, my name. We're going to fill this in, what's happening. And then look at this. This is awesome, guys. So now I can go through this entire page, belly flush review. I can look at every single one of their reels. So they've got, let's see how many reels they have. Most of these, thankfully, have not had more than 50. But so this doesn't have a ton. So I can literally, what I'm going to do, because I found that they will use different thumbnails that is still behind my video, and my video will be behind the thumbnails. So what I will do is I'll just go through here, and I will just go through all their reels, copy the link, and post it in that form. And then once I have all of those, I'm also going to look at the photos on this page to see if they've used any of my images. They have not. They've only used them as my images as thumbnails and my video. So I'm going to fill out this form, and then I'm going to describe what's happening, and then I'm going to sign my name, and then I'm going to submit this form. And that will help hopefully get this taken down. I also did email the brand and tell them immediately, you need to stop, or you need to compensate me for all these videos. And that was before I saw how many videos and how ridiculous this is. Oh, look, a new content just right here. You guys see that? New protected content has a new match. So let's click on that. We're actually going to do it on a different window because I'm going to finish that. There we go. New match. Let's go check it out, guys. Literally, as we're waiting, as we're doing this video, it's found another same video. Oh my gosh. It's driving me mad. Now, I will say that it seems that Facebook, I filed for 4 different pages on copyrights. And when I went to do the 5th one, it wouldn't let me have the option of reporting the video. And so I took a break for a few hours, and then you can see for this video, it was able to show me that I was able to report that video and that page. And then I can put all the links related to that page. So basically I'm reporting the page and then the posts within the page that are my content. And so we'll see what Meta does, what Facebook does. But this, I've never had YouTube find my stuff this fast. I've never had Amazon find my stuff this fast. Oink is great to a degree, right, for finding copyrighted stuff, but that's literally only brands, and it's by timestamps. And so this is seriously the best content protection tool I have seen. And it's going to be really interesting to see what happens over the next few hours and days I'm guessing this is just crawling in the background, looking for yours truly, talking about a belly flush supplement and who knows what else. For a point of reference on my video. So I typically do not upload a ton of videos to social media for reviews. I just haven't had a ton of luck with it. It takes a lot of time. And offsite sales is really not my thing. It really it's just not worth my time at this point. And so it's very interesting. This is not somewhere that I would have ever looked. I was more concerned about people, taking my reel and, that I'm talking about something else and posting that, not necessarily these brands taking my video and reusing it. So if you are a creator, whether it's Amazon, whatever, like lots of different creators. If you're a digital content creator, I highly, highly recommend turning Facebook on professional mode and let Meta do the work for you, because this, like, I would have been completely unaware. And I'm very thankful now that they found this for me. I can take action and I can protect my future content as well. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope you like and subscribe to this channel. And I hope that your content doesn't get taken. I typically don't have my content taken very often, but when it happens, I guess they just like how much I talk about a belly flush. I don't know. Crazy. Okay. I'll keep you updated. Oh, and I'm going to do another video real quick. It won't be on this one. It'll be on my channel. So check my channel. I'm going to do an update on my Facebook monetization month 2. So we'll see you on the next one. Happy New Year.